Hello, future PHP developers. Welcome to this deep dive into the awesome world of PHP functions and arrays. Trust me, understanding these is like having superpowers in web development. Whether you're building a simple website or a complex web application, functions and arrays are your best friends. Think of functions as neat little blocks of reusable code that perform specific tasks. They make your code cleaner, more efficient, and way easier to maintain. And arrays? They're like super organized containers for your data, making it a breeze to work with large amounts of information. In this video, we'll cover everything from the basics to more advanced concepts, all with clear explanations and hands-on examples that you can follow along with. So buckle up, grab your favorite text editor, and let's get started. So what exactly is a function? In essence, it's a block of code that you can reuse over and over again. Now let's talk about how to create your own custom functions. It's like having your own PHP toolbox. Functions are even more powerful when you can pass data into them. We call this passing arguments. Time for a quick detour into the world of variable scope. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Let's break down the difference between local and global scope, two essential concepts in PHP. Hold on to your hats because this is where things get really interesting. We're going to pass arguments by reference. Functions can not only receive data, but also send data back. We call this returning values. Ever wanted to reuse code from other PHP files? That's where include comes in handy. Similar to include, but with a slightly different behavior, we have the require statement. Get ready for some next-level PHP magic. We're about to explore dynamic function calls. Recursion might sound intimidating, but it's a powerful technique where a function calls itself. Good news! PHP comes with a ton of built-in functions that can save you a lot of time and effort. Now let's switch gears and dive into the fascinating world of arrays in PHP. Arrays are like the superheroes of data management in PHP, and here's why you'll love them. Let's start with the most common type of array in PHP, indexed arrays. So there you have it, a crash course on PHP functions and arrays. We've covered a lot of ground, from creating your own functions and understanding variable scope to harnessing the power of arrays. Remember, the key to mastering any programming concept is practice, practice, practice. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, we all do. And most importantly, have fun with it. The more you code, the more comfortable you'll become with these concepts. And trust me, once you've got a handle on functions and arrays, you'll be well on your way to building amazing things with PHP. Happy coding, and see you in the next tutorial!